Soaring above the wild expanse of Patagonia, Mount Fitz Roy stands like a jagged crown of granite, fierce, majestic, and untamed. Its sharp peaks rise abruptly from sweeping plains and turquoise glacial lakes, often shrouded in drifting clouds that catch the first and last light of day. To the Tehuelche people, this mountain was sacred, its summit believed to touch the realm of the gods. Climbers and dreamers from around the world come here, drawn by both its challenge and its beauty. At sunrise, Fitz Roy blazes in hues of orange and rose, reflecting across the still waters below. A moment so pure it silences the soul. In this corner of the world, where wind, ice, and rock meet, nature reminds us of her wild perfection.